Hey everybody, it's Alex, the CEO at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a close-up look at the Addictive Desert Designs Phantom front bumper and the integrated Baja Designs LED lighting for the new third generation F-150 Raptor. Now in aftermarket bumpers, there's always a huge number of options, and because of the popularity of the F-150 Raptor, there is no shortage of options for this vehicle. Now one of our favorite brands is Addictive Desert Designs. Specifically, the style, fit, and finish of this brand are second to none. Now they're making their famous Stealth Fighter and Honey Badger bumpers, which are designs that put them on the map, but for this application they're also making their Bomber and the new Phantom. Now what makes the Phantom different from some of ADD's other offerings is that it's a very low profile design that maintains those sleek, sharp, angular lines. Now a lot of Baja style bumpers that are this high clearance, to give you that clearance for the tires, they usually use tubular steel, which people either love or hate. So if you're the type that wants that clean, angular fit and finish of a plate steel bumper, but you still want that high clearance of the Baja, the Phantom is a great solution to that. Now the steel is also finished in a super durable hammer coat black finish that's going to take all the necessary abuse, but in addition to that, they've mated it with aluminum inserts that are finished in a satin black powder coat that gives it a little bit of a gloss finish and gives a nice contrast and style, but without adding unnecessary extra weight. Most of ADD bumpers, and frankly most other brands as well, all sell their skid plates separately, but it's very important to note here that the Phantom comes as a full package with the skid plate included, making it one of ADD's most affordable options. And that skid plate is actually 3/16 aluminum, and it's finished in that satin powder coat to give it that nice gloss contrast against the other accents in the bumper. And of course, because it's aluminum, it's very light. And when that's all paired together with the bumper, this makes it ADD's lightest offering in aftermarket bumpers for the F-150 Raptor. Addictive Desert Designs tends to either recommend rigid or Baja Designs lighting to be paired with their bumpers. Now because this build already has Baja Designs lighting on it and we wanted to keep it a little more consistent, we're going to be going with Baja Designs. Also, this is an incredible brand that we're really partial to. They won SEMA Manufacturer of the Year in 2022, and their products are born out of some of the most extreme racing conditions down the Baja Peninsula, so you know you're going to get a product that can stand up to the abuse and last many years. So if you're going with Baja Designs lighting, you're going to go with 10-inch single row S8 light bars on each side, and that's available with either amber or different lens patterns. And in the center, you can either go with their Onyx 6 Plus light bar in the 20-inch length, or go with 6 of their Squadron 3x3-inch cubes. Now, one of my favorite things about Baja Designs is that all the lenses are actually interchangeable. You can swap out for a spot lens, which sends light way up the trail, or a diffuse lens, which spreads lights around, or combo lenses, and you can get them in either clear or amber. And what we've decided to do on this build is we've gone with amber driving combo lenses on the S8 10-inch light bars on each corner, and in the center we've gone with 6 of these Squadron Pros with clear spot lenses. So the amber lenses on the corner are meant to match the rest of the lighting, but down the center we wanted to have clear spot lenses that's going to send the maximum amount of light as far up the trail as possible for high-speed runs. Now again, you can change these lenses at any time, and that's what we love about Baja Designs lighting. And the Pro level lights are going to put out almost 4,000 lumens each for a total of 24,000 lumens off of those Squadrons. The S8s are good for about 6,300 lumens each, and that means the total light output coming off of this bumper is over 36,000 lumens. Now to wire all of this up, Baja Designs makes pre-made harnesses that make your wiring really easy and clean. For the Squadrons, they make a 6-light daisy chain harness that you can connect all the Squadrons together and then mate it with one upfitter harness and run that up to your OEM auxiliary switches. For the 2 S8s, you need a 55-inch splitter to connect the 2 sides and then an upfitter harness to run that up to the OEM auxiliary switches. Now in our case and in our installation guide video, we're going to be running everything to our S-Pod controller. Now this is a really cool product. We made a separate video about that. Check that out right here, and you'll see that in our installation guide video as well. So as you can see, this Phantom bumper looks absolutely gorgeous and sharp on this third generation Raptor, and it's got tons of clearance for oversized tires as well as accommodating some seriously potent off-road lighting. It's also a pretty simple bolt-on installation, and we'll show you how to do that step by step in our installation guide, which we'll link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, support what we're doing here by shopping with us. Those links are going to take you to over Motoroso.com, where you can also reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. Now, if you'd like to see the installation guide, check out that video right here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for our upcoming Raptor videos. Thanks for watching.